Hi, I'm Terry Smith, uke teacher, and welcome to the 26th video in our series looking at ukes played in open and alternative tunings. This time around, we're still looking at the baritone played in GCEA tuning. And just to remind you that the exercise that we're going to be doing on this uke are completely transferable if you're playing concert, soprano, tenor, also in GCEA tuning. So everything here will work exactly for you. This time around, we're going to look at an old-time song, which I taught in a workshop recently at a old-time festival. It's called The Cuckoo Bird. It's got two chords in, D minor, and also the next one is the chord we've been looking at in the last few videos, which is this C5 chord, which is, just to remind you, is C with your finger brought in on the string above it at the 3rd fret, which I think just adds a little bit more weight and a little bit more power, which I think works really well in some songs. The strum to this song is again a kind of hitting that low note with your thumb and then just going down. I'm just hitting first finger down, but again, if you're playing with a plectrum, if you've got any other kind of strum that you prefer, then that's the one that's working for you, so just go for that. The only thing with this song, what I'm going to do is a kind of hammer on of the whole chord, which goes like this. Oh, the cuckoo. So it's just a kind of off-on really. Oh, the cuckoo, off-on. She is a pretty bird, off-on. And she wobbles C5 as she flies, off-on. And she never hollows cuckoo till the fall of July. So that's all we're going to be doing. I'll just take you through the rest of the song, and feel free to join in. Gonna build me a log cabin on a mountain so high, so I'll see her pretty cuckoo Jack of diamonds, I've known you, oh, and you robbed my poor pockets of silver.